want to create viral videos like this free and earn while sleeping? Today I will show you how to create this type of viral videos for free and earn money. These are some channels earning thousands of dollars by making this type videos. If you find this video helpful to you, don't forget to subscribe and I will provide the Capcut Premium link in the description. Check it out. First, open video description box and search for credits and copy the name. Open Instagram and search the name and download the video. Open video in YouTube, click on share. Then go to Google and type YouTube to transcript and go the first website. Paste the copy URL and copy the transcript of the video. Go to 11 Labs for audio generation. Paste the transcript of the video and choose Alex. Select Alex Upbeat Energetic as voice and generate audio and save the file. Open the video in Capcut Pro. I have provided the download link in description box. Now go to audio and select the 11 Labs voice which you have generated. And go to audio and select any background music for this video. Then go to overlay and add the circle and remove the background of the circle to look transparent. Now edit the video in your style in Capcut Pro. Now edit the video, make sure you keep the voice audio and the background music in aligned manner and add overlay correctly as me. Make sure you remove the end clip or subscribe for more videos. Part 2 is where the real money is. I'll show you exactly where to upload this to get 10 times more views. Plus 5 different ways to earn money from these videos.
And make sure you hit that subscribe button right now because the next series is going to be on a completely different level. I'm going to connect the AI directly to YouTube and automatically upload videos.